this puppy inwards. But just drop it down just slightly so that it's not interacting with anything else. I think we've got some interaction there. Just 1 second. Yeah, we do. Okay. I'm just going to scale that together, S for scale. And that's our basic kind of lid. And then we're just going to scale in the middle as well, just to kind of give it that little bevel. Again. Scale. Yeah, I think that's about right. Shade smooth. And then just add that lid onto the top of your cup. And then you're going to need the straw. So the straw, just take a cylinder, and then what you're going to do with it, you're not going to just place it straight in. So what you're going to want to do is make it thin so that it's straw-like. And I don't want you to elongate it just yet. So edit, and what we're going to do is we're going to go for, let me just move this outwards so you guys can see what's going on. You're going to want to take the top face off, and you're going to want to take the bottom face off. And there's a reason for this, because you want it to look like a straw and not just something just sat aimlessly inside of your creation. So we're going to press E for extrude, S for scale, scale it up, and all it is, it's just a funnel. So now you're going to go back to your object mode, scale it upwards, oops, yep, like so, and then it should just like, if I got that right, and just straight into your glass or your cup. Maybe make that a bit bigger. No, I don't want it that big. Rotate it just slightly, so, because nothing's perfect. Smooth that out, and there we go. Basic cup with a straw kind of deal. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe, like, you know, get me out there a little bit, because I'd absolutely love to make more of this stuff for you guys. So yeah, have a good day. I should see you in the next one.